Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the duplicate debtor warning. When a debtor has an existing file at the practice and they book a new injury on duty booking, a duplicate debtor will need to be created. This will allow the practitioner to capture all the details regarding the IOD separate on the system. These are performed to ensure the right individual is responsible for the payment of the account. The injury on duty file will include different information sections that will be required when the IOD case is submitted, such as a claim number, date of injury, and injury specifics. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. For more information on how to book duplicate debtors, please refer to the duplicate debtors IOD bookings user manual linked in this video's description. Double-click on a desired time slot on the diary to make a booking for the IOD patient. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Fill in the ID number and the ID number text field for the desired IOD patient in a debtor's details section. When entering a debtor's ID number that is already saved on the system, a warning message will appear to advise existing debtors with similar ID numbers have been found. Click on the hamburger menu to see the details of the debtors whose details match the IOD debtor that the user is trying to make a new booking for. The duplicate debtor screen will open to show which debtors were found with similar ID numbers. The information on the duplicate debtor screen will be divided into the following columns. The hashtag refers to a numerical number to follow, which is the debtor file number. First name is the first name of the debtor. Last name is the surname of the debtor. Cell phone number is the cellular or mobile number of the debtor. ID number is the identification number of the debtor. Medical aid is the name of the company with which a debtor has medical insurance or medical aid. Medical aid option is the name of the medical aid corresponding to the medical aid of the debtor. Date of injury is the date when the injury or incident took place. Last update is when the last details were updated of the debtor. Similarity is the percentage that indicates how closely the details matches to the debtor whose details are already on the system. Click on a debtor in order to import the details from the existing file. Click on the Close button to cancel the request and return to the Add Edit Booking screen. Click on the Import Debtor button to import the details of the debtor from the saved account that the user has selected. The existing debtor's details will now be imported from the saved account.